What is up, you guys? We are back here in Vegas again, doing another resort tour. Today, we are staying at the Luxor. I have never stayed at the Luxor before. Have you stayed at the Luxor before?
No.
No, so we're here. We're gonna show you around the property. We're gonna show you around the room. We did originally book a pyramid room, but we got upgraded to the East Tower room. So that's the room you're gonna see today, is the East Tower room. It looks really nice. Let me take you around. When you first come in the room, it is very, very spacious. I always say, note the distance from the bed to the desks or the armoire. There is no closet here, so that is your closet. But look at this seating area over here. This is a great seating area right by the window. It's a little warm right now because the sun's coming directly in, but what a nice, spacious seating area. A good place to relax with your partner.
Okay, let's check the beds. Ooh, nice and comfy. Let's check these pillows.
2 pillows per bed, not 3, not 4.
Oh.
But I found in our last hotel that 2 pillows was enough as long as they're comfortable. How are they? Are they squishy?
They're good, but I don't know. They're not the pillows that we've had before, but...
Well, we'll tell them
soft.
tomorrow morning in our final thoughts at the end of the video what we thought of the pillows. So we have an armoire instead of a closet. And it looks like we got lots of space here, enough space to put our luggage in. We got an ironing board, some hangers. That works perfect for us. I don't need much more.
Yes, it's perfect.
And then right next to it, you got 4 drawers, a really nice sized TV. This is what, a 50-inch TV, which is perfect. A little desk area, enough workspace. Now there's a luggage rack outside of the armoire, but I bet you that fits inside of there, so you don't have to have it out here if you don't want to. I'll probably leave it out here. And then right over here, we're gonna walk into, oh, a very nice mirror right here for all you ladies who like to look at yourself in the mirror, and fellas too. We're gonna come into this bathroom, which I thought the bathroom was really nice. So you got a really nice sink right here, a little bit of counter space. It's a little bit smaller there, but you know, you got your makeup mirror, a big wall-to-wall side mirrors also. So there's like mirrors everywhere. It's like mirror galore. But guess what we got in our upgrade? This beautiful big bathtub, and Becky got us some bath bombs the other day, so we'll probably be spending a little bit of time in there. And right next to it, you got a shower. Oh, can you look at me in the shower through there? Look at that, it's all windowed up. And of course, the throne. I always wish there was a separate door right here. But you gotta do what you gotta do, so that's fine.
One of the things I do like about the room is I like the chairs make it feel a little retro, but it has this minimalist feel to it. There's not a whole lot of, like, it's not gaudy. It's just clean, simple lines, which I really find relaxing.
Yeah, and I have to agree with Becky on that. I like a minimalist hotel room. I feel it's like less for them to have to clean. So that means the things that they do have to clean are getting cleaned. And it just makes it seem, it just feels cleaner. It feels better, I think.
Cleaner, airier. It just feels very relaxing, very subtle.
Yeah.
And relaxing.
For view-wise, we are seeing the side of the gigantic pyramid there. The West Tower is over there. And then we got little baby pyramids right there, which I believe that's like the walkway going to Excalibur. And way off in the distance out there, you can kind of see we got we got a pool view, babe.
Where?
That's a pool view.
Oh, it is a pool view.
It's a little far. They look like little baby ants out there, but it's a pool view.
We could still say we got a pool view.
But we could say we got a pool view. I was wondering, I couldn't figure out, is there a safe in here, but I found the safe. Remember how I was telling you there's 4 drawers here? Well, the top right drawer is the safe. So there you go. You can put your valuables in there, and it's a pretty large safe too. So good deal. Our last place didn't have a safe, so I'm glad this one does. Now that we got the room out of the way, we're gonna show you around the property, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how much we paid for this room on a Saturday night here at the Luxor in Vegas. Also, when you're staying here at the Luxor, they do have a tram that goes to Excalibur and the Mandalay Bay. And it says T-Mobile Arena in the park. It really just drops off at the very edge of Excalibur. And it's a windy day today. right by the front desk here, you have Aurora drink bar area here. Great place to lounge and have a good time and have a cocktail while you're waiting for your others to check in. One of their casual dining options is Public House. It's basically got some sports all over the TVs everywhere. Get yourself some beers, some burgers. Looks like a pretty nice place to watch a game. When you first walk in, you will be on the bottom floor, which is gonna have the casino and a few markets. Upstairs is where you'll find most of the restaurants. One thing I do like about MGM properties, there is no shortage of bars right around the casino. And this casino is pretty much, I think, I'm learning that the MGM properties all have these great roulette, blackjack, craps tables that you can kind of learn, and you don't have to be nervous about playing with everybody at the table. They got quite a few table games here, and actually quite a few slots. Let's check out the selection of slots they have. They do have the Pyramid Cafe, which is only open from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. So I can't tell you how it is because it's closed. They do have a buffet here. The buffet is from 8 to 3 p.m. Quite a few items on the list, and all you basically gotta do is go down this escalator to get to the buffet. It is closed now because it's after 3 p.m. And if you're gonna have a bar in the center of your casino, it might as well be called Centra Bar. So I think this casino is nice. It's got a variety of games, table games, slots. But I have to say, we were at the Excalibur recently and we really enjoyed their casino.
We had such a blast. Just had a great party atmosphere, great slots to play. Even the roulette, it was just a good place to hang out and party.
And over here you got America's Got Talent live edition here at the Luxor. And if America's Got Talent's not your thing, they do have Carrot Top, who's been performing here forever, I think. Every MGM property has a BetMGM sportsbook. This one's a decent size. It's not too big. It's got nice little comfy loungers there and a few TV screens that you can watch your sports that you just bet on. And like I said, there are bars everywhere. Time to head upstairs and see what kind of food offerings we have up here. Diablo's Cantina and Bar is definitely a popular spot, a popular Mexican food spot. Like I said earlier, they have many shows here, from America's Got Talent to the Blue Man Group to Carrot Top. So it's definitely a good entertainment spot. We also can watch Titanic, the Artifact exhibition, if I could speak. But they also have Bodies too. Bodies, the exhibition. And as most casinos have, they have the food court here, which has chicken tenders, Nathan's, Johnny Rockets, pizzeria, Subs, Starbucks. You'll find all the normal fast food offerings here. Also, you have the Shops at Mandalay Place, which is basically a walkway from the Luxor to Mandalay Bay with a bunch of shops and food options. So how much does it cost to stay at the Luxor on a Saturday night? Well, this Saturday night, it wasn't too bad. It's $172 for the room, $39.98 for the resort fee, $15 to park because I'm not a Pearl card member, just a Sapphire. And that comes out to 175-ish, or not 100, 200 and something change. Oh, it's been a long weekend. We had a good time last night. So my final thoughts here at the Luxor is, it's a decent hotel to stay at. Actually, we got upgraded to one of the tower rooms, which is a really nice room. We really enjoyed it. We didn't spend a lot of time in it, but it was comfortable. I slept really good last night for the few hours that we were able to sleep because we were out last night. And the reason we were out last night is because the property over there in the casino, they had a bar that was popping. The wife was dancing all night with her friends. The gambling picked up a little bit because earlier in the day I wasn't feeling the vibe in the casino, but in the end it was okay. I did like the Excalibur Casino better, and just so you know, I know it's not Luxor, but they're kind of one property, Luxor Excalibur. Over at Excalibur, they got that Downland Down Under bar right next to where the show is at. That place was popping. Like, they had a DJ there, good music. It was going off. Now, I know why they have it, because all the ladies came out afterwards and loaded up that bar and got drinks and stuff. But right before that, it was great. And even with them, it was great. It was just a great vibe. The pool, not much in the situation of the pool. It's just pretty much like a flat pool. Not a lot of decor. Seems like a lot of cement. So we just show you some shots there. But, you know, we didn't really go there to hang out at the pool. It was just kind of a lackluster in my mind. Now, overall, I would say I would definitely stay at the Luxor again if the price is right. Now, we didn't stay in the pyramid rooms. I don't know how those are, or if those are as updated as these rooms in the tower, because the tower rooms were really nice. But I think for the price, it's a good deal. I mean, you have the tram that'll take you over to the end of the Excalibur. You walk right over to New York, New York. We ate at Park MGM, so not too far away from some of the other casinos, which is kind of nice. So I would definitely recommend this one. It was a good hotel. Let me know in the comments down below if you have stayed at the Luxor, what you thought of the Luxor, what was your experience here. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell right down there so you're notified every time we post another hotel review. And we'll catch you next time.